Looking to upgrade your truck bed? Whether you're hauling tools, groceries, or camping gear, a tonneau cover is a must-have for security, weather protection, and style. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best tonneau covers tested for durability, design, and performance. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. So let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Truxport tonneau cover. If you're looking for a reasonably priced, easy-to-install option that provides full accessibility to your truck bed, this soft-rolling real truck Truxport tonneau cover is a solid choice. Right off the bat, we found that the cover was extremely light. For increased support, though, it's equipped with 3 metal rods spaced evenly along the cover in case of snow or something weighing on the top of the cover while it's unrolled. Installation took roughly an hour with one person. A couple of quirks we discovered. Latching the cover requires a bit of extra effort, as does getting an even roll-up. You have to roll from both sides or the middle to make it even. But once it's rolled, you can clasp it tightly into place. The cover also actually pops open as it's unlatched, which was odd yet slightly satisfying. According to the instructions, the spring mechanism is at the correct tension, and any tampering with it will result in a void of warranty. At number 4, we've got the Worksport AL3 Pro Quick Latch Hard Tonneau Cover. The Worksport AL3 Pro Quick Latch Hard Tonneau Cover is a lightweight, easy-to-install option for truck owners who want quick bed access with minimal hassle. Overall, the installation was relatively effortless for one person. It comes with an Allen wrench for assembly, though there's a chance you'll need a 10mm wrench to fine-tune the latches to the frame of the bed. The cover arrived well packaged with solid protection. Our test unit did have a rip in the cardboard, but thanks to the quality packaging, the unit was unharmed. The quick latch system and cable release made this cover one of the easier options on our list to open and close. It's worth noting, though, that the cover doesn't fold all the way, limiting access to the full bed. The last third of the cover can't be folded up against the rear window. The unit leaked a bit at the corners of the bed, so it's not entirely waterproof, but it should keep most of the elements out. When fully secured, it feels sturdy, but not necessarily super locked down, so you might not want to keep valuable gear inside all the time. Yet overall, it keeps the bed contents out of view of would-be thieves. We also wouldn't recommend placing heavy items atop the closed cover, as it doesn't feel as though it could hold too much weight, particularly if it's centered and not supported by the edge of the bed. At number 3, the Undercover SE one-piece tonneau cover. The Real Truck Undercover SE one-piece tonneau cover is a sleek, secure, and weather-resistant tonneau cover that's available for a variety of vehicles. Installation was a 2-person job, but fairly straightforward thanks to its no-drill design. While tools were required, none came in the package. Once installed, the cover sat flush and required 0 adjustments even after months of testing. Despite its relatively lightweight construction, the cover felt solid and secure. It features a keyed lock for added protection. One standout feature is the integrated LED light, which makes it easy to access cargo in low-light conditions. Driving with the cover was a quiet experience, no rattling or wind noise at highway speeds, according to our tester. Taking second place is the Worksport SC3 soft tonneau cover. For those shopping for a soft tri-fold option, we tested the Worksport SC3 tonneau cover on an 06 Dodge Dakota. Right off the bat, the installation time was outstanding, clocking at just 15 minutes, with an additional 15 for unpacking and setup. Constructed with tough, weather-resistant vinyl, the budget-friendly SC3 looks pretty sharp too. While installation and price are 2 excellent perks with this tonneau cover, there are some things we found in our testing to be aware of. First, the trifolds are large and take up a lot of space when fully folded up against the rear panel, which can make transporting things such as a motorcycle or large furniture next to impossible. Surprisingly, the folds are quite light, and one person can easily flip them. The security straps tend to slide on the cover's bar, which could eventually slide out of reach and cause an issue. Additionally, we identified a few problem spots with water intrusion, namely from the tailgate and a clip on each side that caused a slight bump that exposed outside air. And coming in at number 1, the GatorTrax manual retractable tonneau cover, potentially the best-looking option we reviewed. The GatorTrax manual retractable tonneau cover rocks a sleek and clean appearance. But how did the installation process go to achieve this look? Our tester noted slight damage to the box upon arrival, but the contents were in perfect shape. Upon scanning the instructions, everything was straightforward, except for step 6, the heading, "Remove and position the rails," was a bit confusing. Our tester recommended it be changed to "Canister and Rail Placement" for better clarity. Once assembled, the unit was placed onto the rails and slid into place, requiring only minor adjustments. The clamps were easy to install and needed only a slight tightening during the final fitment work. The total installation time from unboxing to finish was 1 hour and 20 minutes. An additional person to help is recommended. The locking mechanism feels robust, while the cover itself glides nicely on the rails. So there you have it, the top 5 tonneau covers. Be sure to check the link description below for the latest price and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Which tonneau cover would you choose for your truck?